Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingagi ogoswasaliga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Inye chiabono botuko Ekeonga korwaiga asigete sin obwanchete osigete naboigo obegeta wasemele konga ngo kumanyiteri korwa Chinsa mo imenesku ya gusibuna naki nakartogo chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira abwasa mugabana we county ya Nyamira kubwatana Nekeombe Kelikiaro Kuvera Foundation ba kiranirie area abana abaliete mosake kisemba niga gochaka na robot yoro
Amatuko emerongo itano na atano na tatu aerire gesa umugabana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira guchakia umuruberio bwo gusegeta amasomo ase abana bagusoma ase birasi bya ECDA weterase okubabwatukira eronkori eyo ere n'obunyamansi guchakira itamweye ya kabere nigo rero eserikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira bakubatirana n'ekiombe kya Rockefeller Foundation banyora etinga eyo erachego chia gosia obosie kwerongori ejiga
kidogo tu utarani.
Kukwana kurase amagacha manene ye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo mawaziri w'ekisemi imeye kaunti ejiga Emiri Onkaga ateba guchakira etarike yemo y'omutienio gocha nigo aborokiwa ba ECDA barachake kwegwa erongori ejiga ase chisukuru chiabo.
Education is a default function, so therefore we are partnering with the Rockefeller and other partners so that we can ensure that your promise that you gave to the residents of the county government of Nyamira is actualized by 1st of June, the way you promised. So that is why we are here to receive that mila and kick off the program.
Elsemo yayo mugavana Nyaribo otebire maiga yabo konyora etinga eyo kurwase kiombe ekyo kya Rockefeller Foundation nigo baragenderere kubwatirana amana barabwo eryo abana bakeboigo konyora oboroso buya korwa ebirasi bya inze.
Rockefeller Foundation ibara partners baito badogonya asitekenko side yoko gela eno gututete kwa abana ebe possible bakorera the county nke gomba what experience and batorete iretingaga nke agora kini bato promises support ujakiro mutinyo ukianda
Chingaki echocho nigo Muskenya ribo agenderera gotogia igetambukiro ikiiga gyokorenta erokori ase chisukuru agoteba nigo kirache gokonya abange asogutwara obochenu buya nonyina ase amagima abo
asa abantu bari baito aho tunane uji irerika iyo akine bari kairo rende mwana otabadikinda kurikanda mwaki aigeto yona abwata lakini teriri kairo kobe gatore 45 to dena kobe gatore chi nutrients ile chikonyo mwana kine nechinguru umobere nabongo whatever so the reaja bande school jimoto ngeko baraisi ko bwate bitazo
Hingo ripotera Getembe kurwasa magacho amanene ye kaunti ya Nyamira ayagotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango Inje Fatgad Isemba
Ebikaro bya bunge mashinani nigo birima mincha yeri chiko kolengana ne bunge ye Senate ayuniga kwanwa imarogoba ya lero.
3. That the decision and resolutions made by the impeached Speaker and members of the County Assembly that convened outside the gazetted presence of County Assembly are null and void. That the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission investigates appropriation and spending of public resources by the impeached Speaker and group of members of the County Assembly that held meetings outside the gazetted presence of the County Assembly, and that the Clerk of the County Assembly surcharges and recovers all allowances and funds paid to the impeached Speaker and the group of members of the County Assembly who conducted business outside the gazetted presence of the county.
Abamenyi be county ya Nyamira nigo banda takurwa ibirengereri byabo igori yo kungusana na gwe county eyo. Amenyi abo nigo batebiringa ogotaigwana na kwaba MCA gosokungusana kwaba MCA ne kyorokererie kebe no musakito Fatgad Gisemba gotumanya.
abamenyi be kaunti ya Nyamira becokire na kurwa ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana no kung'usanana uku kwabere gokwenekiwa ati yaba MCA ba Nyamira wika okobaroro w'ekibunge ibere
agaki abantu ba minto tukerwa tukabakorera buya tukababeka ime lakini bono mwakorera amachesa amatindi pi ekerongo tikurarengereria iguru yaba MCA ba minto n'abayamuri nande twabachorete tukiruka tukabachora tugatiga abandi tukabachora ekaro twabachora tukigena abatwachora wikabacho tukorere gasi bunetakeire ono yamanyire wikirase ubwe gasi bono twabachorete kumbe twabachorete muchikungusana gukia oyatageteke oyari nabaye
nonyanigo ibakwaneire ogwanjireria gwensemo eyemo anene ase bikarobiria bya bunge mashinani ase bigokorerwa
twari kwani ko bulinga amasinani ye bagokora ebakonya kora ase chigwodi cyabo cyoka kyaronya kere bunge ya Nyamira igoba bwana tokora township toigo bakorire bunyamatuta toigo bakorire busamaro bugichora tali bagokorera ali ase boka bare chigwodi nye cyoka na chibago toterie budget na Nyamira county otwale kwani ko bulinga abachumba ba MCA twachorete korera anya bunge masinani nyakorere Nyamira county ngima
Ona abantu tukumeti ibara byandika se tawo yeto ya Nyamira egekora no isukurigereria maene pi amagendero tayo nonya
ensemo yende niga bamenyi abayiga waichaneire ogutabaroro kwa magenderero korwase aba MCA gesa basoa abisi egento batebire bono na maiso babaete
bagendere ko barama tuko bamanya narenga tigaire kyagera tubwata amachibwa abo tumati ko sengo barabakale kone ebungeje sinyete onye bagosinyuka babungeire kakibono nande mbarengerere kintu bachoronye basinyuruka babungeire
ebange buyapi buneri agakora Nyamira yabaye semisi etari kororekana etari koigweka
esibika bono mokungusana mokobona nesibika mokobo isibika ngi isibika mokobona ni abakunse isibika kete abasibika kete
tu agerete
tu agete mondo nga speaker kete tu agerete egento mwale bakolegia igino nyine tibi tu speaker rende tigaba bonse babera bamukoza kumuzanangira arabatiga
igino bone egento kutulire 2027 gaste ye akoliruga iga naende bonse buna bariga igo tuligereti bonse bagende kapi obugambi tochoro obuya
kubwatikana na yaiga ebasabire omugabana omuske Amos Nyaribo koria chinjira chindonge na koreta mo aba MCA bonsi erio umwananchi anyore amagenderero
nanchi barerire mono asengencho yo gwakana tax cyabo asega setari gokoro igo akero chieri bere chikurwana n'ubunyansi bokomya iyo ori umwananchi okawaida konali gusaba umugabana Nyaribo ala county yuya atumiko bongaini ilibakonye Nyamira county
chingaki echecho baganirie omoseneta kwe county ya Nyamira omuske Ekeonga omugeni kogenderera gokora emiremo yaye boikiranu
ichigo kibago tumeka kokora bunga mashinani na ba county assembly ichigo kibati ete dibajeta senate nkibata bete kula senate papanda kokorega ntekama ndubona bana nyitu aberto komia sana mchigo ngotebya omoseneta ito akongo mogeni otene ne farm elindororenga Nyamira yagororokire nande yaberege kokora egento kelito chora taba MCA bagokora
hingo reporter Getembe korwase ebunge eyeiga ya West mugirange yegotoke niye county ya Nyamira Fatikad Isemba
mira na bebwata mangana mange kero ndochi mokotia gontebinga inchibuna debi Mkate gabona mabutika nabe karakine ndachinga kicho abamenyi be county ya Nyamira nigo babolire abarai korwa ase county yo gochamo elio koba korera abamenyi be county ya Nyamira amagendro kaboli aba MCA gotega chitobotu cyabo na ako ogayana elio koba korera amagenderero
actually ngende tanga kabisa lirie senate ya recommend ngawanda waira na se counter assembly Nyamira elinde libakora kogoro kuna abana inchi ntwa gogete mono akagira ngabono wetera se direction area gocha goikaransa barengamo baigwanane erinde eri bakore egasi amo batokorera amagendero nambe ya mabantu baminte bakurira mono ekiagera no ene magendera ndai yakorekire tukakagira ngansa chinde nasingeje yekisegi kiri abasika bangoja barambo goigwana lakini goikera boniga igorekera twarigirete nande tukaigunga bado mbunge mashinani bantu mbaya se county assembly na batu abete no goichana okonene tukakumyanga ingi kegendere tonyandiri yale kunyarika onyandiri twae wenjiringi yokoli koli abasika babonse mune community ntwe tware gwanje kugitubali koli bagichenga tochole assembly enya erinde eri abantu bagenda batokorere igo bono nyandiri banja obosemya bwane egonda gitego semya umusike egavana yaitamusinyari ere buno mugaka ekero mugaka orasenga abana kabakorwana aye turi kogenda okire ego kubwata kwarangiria abana bari numanyito umwana uyo ro mutirigo limono numanyito uyo ro muororo numanyito uyo ro mukarakali uko barangiri ubaikaransinse ubatebiyaya ese giteringiya engera tobwana takomenya bunenka ne family neri gendo ndete kwa pili gocha saba MCA baito ega astu abatomete no kogenda baiti amachiko babeka neamo chiwesa chikirimboge chichije chikoreme origere linga nyare gogocho to tuomani inungi mogwanjera mutuomani egende ketangani kabisa basikaba igabatumie birangera byabo buja batumie chisemi cyabo buja baikaransense baigwanane emireme yakoreke
yabona abanyonge basumbukire cyane abatete papara amagendera kulire bakire chimbuna batwarire chipati ibere ono ndo wangire kubagayana twanyajakire kuamerania aneli kwabakobuna bone tosingire
igabaligire lio tu abatwarete bacho tokorera amagendero unabona for example barangiri wakese na tirura ali Nairobi tukaraba igwananire iya tutamite nandi bakire na tigabasangamo bakorire bunge iri yabo yabere nero bakunywa maruto gwite batumire mitandao onye batumirwe batagutiga bairane gucankaga okay nuyu kabatembe tingaki kabe pati yemusa gukiga 2027 ningarere bulayimbura aika tigabatokorera amagenderero
abaonchereria korwa asomo chobosongo nigo bamwegereire na komotogia na komwakere koko moske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i yokabere muwaziri bobolindi boime ase serikali ya etire bamwegereire mo jumbe o South Mugirango moske Salvaina Sosoro komoska omoske Matiang'i na goteba abwate nabagusibande asengenchi yokorra eganga yomoske Matiang'i gochikorie kero kyoborai gogoika omwaka bw'ekirubere na 25 nibere.
Matiang'i power! Matiang'i power!
Nekerero kyogosemeria kurwa sabamenyi bense ya Kenya abaonchoria kurwa sechiro ya marigiti imeyo mu cyubosongo ngobono bagenderete gwakera ekoko okoraria omurembe imejense nabaigo amaskani gocha sabantu bonsi
injasa marietane igonkoro kumesha kiyoge koru Kisii market ande nondo muraibwe town ima yaito ya bosongo abantu baminto ngote batore Matiang'i asikwe ngote batore Matiang'i asikwe
Mheshimiwa Matiang'i anafaa aheshimiwe kabisa juu sasa ndio mtu wetu, hata sisi tumeona na ndio tunategemea. Kwa hivyo Matiang'i afanye nini?
Aheshimike.
Gukwanira maskani gocha asojo kabire mu waziri w'obulendi bw'eme Dr. Fred Matiang'i uyibono orokirie ganga yae yuchukurwanire kero kyoborai wense aso mwaka gosoba chori bulwesyo umwaka w'ekiro 2025 nigabasae baboliwe kolija enguba yabo ya siasa
akara tuwa mosikire nonyene abana baito bali barese chinyomba babeire myaka gwetani 18 bose babwateki
ebibande tugotokwa emisaba ngina bose pi abalega ya kiro wato mwana ubwate myaka 18 kiro monda bwate ibande agara tuwa akachukura oyo tobwate kabara tobokorenga ki
abwatire ibande unaitwa gusi twezi pito ko bera si Matiang'i abrajosi amuitabire egasi alingi nigakote egasi engiya ekagera bakenya bonsi bakamwancha akabera education agakole egasi engiya akabera itiri agakole egasi engiya
Chinga kyechecho nigo bono baboliria abarai bage siasa kurwa sorgongo rwa gusi anene bali ase serikali gutwara ubwanchani bunabamo
Atebirio mheshimiwa Osoro. Asikengo. Matiangi. Asikengo. Matiangi. Igatogo teba Osoro no mojumbo korokwa Chabet. No mojumbo koroku Zairi Chanda. Na kitogo teba. Matiangi. Osoro sikamatiangi. Igo. Kwa kwete chikuru akabo mojumbe. Yes. Kwa ndio kiroga libunge. Togo sikomo kusiomino.
Komenta nayo nigo bano baborire serikali kurigereria ogokora kwa matemwa uchasaborokiwa anene bo mwako yoiga.
Kwa CS wetu wa education tunaomba sisi mama mboga mulituambia ni mama mboga ni boda boda. Saa hii mmeturuka mnataka tutafute pesa ya mtihani, tunatoa wapi? Hakuna.
Tulisikia ule ambaye anasimamia kiti cha education alitangaza wazi eti mtihani pengine utaenda kufanywa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wazazi wanasubiria mtihani ya watoto kwa sababu wamechukua watoto kwa mwaka mzima.
Uripoti liga taseni kiao na mbeye mbokia Getembe kuriga asomo chibosongo litera na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Ekeombe kerige kurigereria obuya bw'ebintu biri bigotumeka na mwanya bantu kepsa ni goritko ria rero gyasoa ase omuchi obusungu wasigia kwana gyatwara chinkwana n'abamenyi na kurigereria na kibintu bigotumeka ase nsameyi gabire nigo baboria abamenyi bensameyi ga gutumeka ebintu biria bietirie n'ekyombekyo ikoeneka afya cy'abamenyi nigo kiri chingia. Daniel Onteri yarenga sensemeyo na gutwariganira roboti uriga.
Inse ye wizara ya mangana yobonjoria gose investment trade and industry asoma boganio yomo ime yomo chobosongo abo bisa kuru ya bisi yokuligirira birengo bibintu au ye manyekanite buna Kenya Bureau of Standard Caps nigo baligania igikaro nabo bwatani kurwa chi sector au hasi igikaro gyakoreka asobo gatakati wo mocho bosongo kuligiriria na gusangirira birengerero byabo igoro buna barachi gutingia sector yo igitambokero abo bisa baiga abayeneke buna nkere nengenchenene.
We are also adhering to the principles of standardization, which include consensus. We are ensuring consensus at every stage. We are also adhering to openness as one of the principles of standardization, coherence, where we ensure that the draft or the standard that we are coming up with does not conflict with any other existing document or regulations or other standards. Also, there is a very important principle that we are observing, that is openness. That is where we are here to tell you this. We are currently drafting this standard. Please, let us take it as our collective responsibility to ensure we come up with a standard that is robust and acceptable in the motor vehicle industry as a solution.
Korengana na barabo kugania nkororo gwokonyora boye birengererio kurua sabatumeki bamachiko egati abo bisa abo bosombi Varia abo bonchoria egati yabande abarira guchako eneke buna ebirengererio byabo byatumikire hase kamiti yakorosia machiko igoro yebirengo byebinto.
We'll have their inputs taken care of, and we'll have our final draft standard that will go now to the Standards Council for approval, and the process now will be taken to the minister in charge. We will now go ahead and do gazettements, and a period of 6 months will be given for the public to absorb and understand what is supposed to be implemented, and then now it will be enforced.
Ugutumika kwe mitandao yekerero asokorosia masakara yobolimo ne chiarama chekyombekega negati yarebo igakwanirwa bamenta bona mbabegetomokia koenekia bakagirwa bo tibali gocha kogendera gosale sector yo asokobeka emerobuli mikerenu gosire bikore byo.
Generally right now in terms of identification of genuine products and fake products, we are able to verify so many products just using the system. But remember, our customers who may not be privy to the system, we have our website, and through the website also, it is very easy for our customers to be able to verify on their own what is genuine, what is not genuine, other than identification of genuine products. Through the same system, through the website, a lot of information is provided, which now assist these customers to get the services which they require from cabs without necessarily physically walking to cabs.
Kurengana nabo bisa baiga boyo kugania nkororo gukoene kibuna kende yonsio kugura gose gutumeka kebwenete kebochano na mono chindagira nebinyuwa asa abantu batarinse ye maika 13 okubori wabo igo kwabe kwase chigari chimachine nebinto binde ao haiga Kenya no nyembiria bikurwase Chinsa chisiko koene kibuna mbirigererie na gwetigwa ne kiombeke iga Nkurubuthirigeta seni kia Getembe kuruiga se kaunti ya Kisii litrene nguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Piamano Daniel chinga kichichioni igo bamenyi bomo chie ojogo nyankongo ne Chinsa mochi etana ne tukuliale rabanyora obuwenya no bulingoli bwo basakurwa se nyagitari ya kanyimbo kubwatana ne nyagitari ya live care kurwa somochi world red. Eric Abuga nigaenda na gutoriga ni roboti uriga.
Nina furaha sana kwa siku ya leo. Hospitali kuu ya Life Care iliko kule Eldoret imeweza kushirikiana na hospitali ya Kanyimbo ambayo iko hapa Jogoo Estate, Kisii County. Tulikuwa na matibabu ya bure ambayo tumeweza kusaidia wakaaji wetu wa Kisii County na county zingine jirani. Baadhi ya matibabu tuliweza kuwa nayo, tulikuwa na daktari wa mifupa ambao tunaita orthopedic surgeon, tulikuwa na daktari wa macho, that's ophthalmologist, tulikuwa na internal and family medicine au daktari wa nyumbani na dawa za familia. Vile vile wagonjwa wameweza kufaidika kwa free medical camp, wameweza kuscreeniwa, wameweza kupewa madawa kwa wale walikuwa na stahili wapewe madawa.
Today we are hosting a free medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital in conjunction with Life Care Hospital from Eldoret. We are targeting to bring the much needed specialist services to the community, to the local community here in Kisii. We have managed to see quite a number of people today, almost more than 200 people who are majorly from the local community. The main purpose of this camp was to bring specialist services to the people of Kisii and the Lower Nyanza region. We were offering purely specialist consultation services for free. We had our lab tests being done for free. We had x-rays and we had also fluoroscopy services being offered for free.
This is about the medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital, which is based in Kisii, Jogoo area. This has been arranged or organized together with Life Care Hospital. Life Care Hospital is based in Eldoret. We have an understanding hospital to hospital where we collaborate and we synergize the strength. Kanyimbo is a new hospital, recently registered with Kenya Medical Council, which is last year, and in February we were able to be incorporated or accredited to social health insurance, and currently we are able to do minimal services like inpatient admission, patient consultation, especially when people require specialized care. At Kanyimbo we have 2 medical specialists. One is a geriatric, meaning he looks at elderlies, and the other physician is focusing on kidney diseases, or what you call kidney problems. But both can be able to see people with medical problems, generally cutting across all body systems. We also have 2 surgeons, myself, an orthopedic surgeon focusing on mainly knee and hip joints, or people with fractures and back issues, and people with limb deformities.
Ebonge yeseneti ritkoria rero nigo yaenekia okungusana na okonene abo ase omurikyo munene bekyamagia ODM Edwin Sifuna boigoro mo seneta bwe county ya Nairobi na boigo omo yore omo rai bobange ase ebunge yo Haron Cheruiyot bataigwana na koenekia rioro cherinene ase ebunge yo.
Directed by my party leader to be nicer. And I'm going to try my best.
Bunge ye senetrero ase ebikaro bya ebyamambi nigo omuspika bwe bunge ye oye ore omo seneta bwe county ya Garissa Abdul Mohamed Aji anyora chinga kichinkongu ekero omo seneta o Nairobi oyore omo nyakero gobwe chama ya ODM Edwin Sifuna baene kiachi tofauti noyore omo raibu abange ase ebunge ye Haron Cheruiyot.
Senator Cheruiyot, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat.
Honorable Cheruiyot, you are just lucky that I have been directed to be nice. Otherwise, you would have seen the full wrath of Edwin Sifuna. Honorable Speaker, I want these demons who have been sent to tempt me to break the directive by my party leader to depart from me. Leave me alone.
Korengana na Sifuna nigo omuraibu abare abange Haron Cheruiyot amugerera kero arenge kukwana egento nonyana bo kiene kigwano muspika Haji asebono agikiria Cheruiyot.
Allow us to speak, Majority Leader. I am on the floor. Why are you heckling us? Why are you heckling us? This is not your house. Leader, this is not your house.
Majority
it is the house
Leader.
For all of us.
Majority
and the
Leader.
information that we have comes from the Speaker.
Majority Leader.
You can't heckle us all the time. Can
Majority
you throw him
Leader.
out? Honorable
Majority
Speaker.
Leader. Order. Order.
Order.
Order.
No,
Order.
Honorable Speaker,
Order.
this is unacceptable.
Order, Senator.
Even if I was asked to be nicer, I will not
Senator.
allow this provocation to continue.
You started heckling. Okay, then let's stop it at there. Let him. Senator Cheruiyot, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, Senator. Take your seat. 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 Senator Cheruiyot, I will find you grossly out of order. You started heckling. You were heckling against him. You did not behave orderly yourself, Senator Cheruiyot.
Sifuna oyorekana gukwana n'obutindi iyo yairera omuspika komutebya asabo kwabera korende nigo akana.
But Senator Sifuna, you did refer to the senator as a heckler, which is out of order. If you could withdraw that and apologize.
Honorable Speaker, you are determined to turn me back into the old me. You yourself have said he was heckling. A person who heckles is a heckler. That is what you call him. Senator Cheruiyot of Kericho was heckling me. He's a heckler. You yourself have made that decision. I will not allow anyone to bully me in this house. I did not come here because of Cheruiyot's graces. I was elected by the people of Nairobi.
Omo Senator Sifuna obeire igatia baraibare ase echama ya ODM abwe bataka okiri no kubwatana kwa enikigwano muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto na boigo omuraibu echama ya ODM Raila Odinga.
Let me first begin by saying this thing called broad-based. I don't know where it exists. Personally, I don't recognize any entity called called broad-based. There is a government of Kenya Kwanza under the leadership of President William Ruto. Every cabinet secretary who serves in that government serves the Kenya Kwanza government.
Wango iganigo omosikira Raila Odinga amokanya Sifuna igoro yugo kwana serikali ya broad-based eyue asechintunda chinyinge atebireta ya manyeti.
And the spokesman of the party is usually the Secretary General, Mr. Sifuna. When Mr. Sifuna speaks, he's speaking on behalf of the party. Mr. Sifuna, saa ingine hapana kwa chungu sana.
Keraya akwene kigwani kikegendrete ase echama ya ODM. Egekogera ni gobono iga abaraibande bakobwatesia serikali ya broad-based na abande bakoyekana. Kuripoteria Egetasini Getembe TV, Chinsa Miyenda.
One thing to go check, I got honorable members of the society. Don't haggle me. Go wika nande litko lia Jumatatu katramerane ase Ekeonga. Chinsa ibere chenkolengera lingana na utramerane ase bipindi binde lakini koro ase Ekeonga. nonko ya uturage nyasaye tata kora kurendo butko bobe obia asole na mwensi bali mwatubwatia bali mwatire kwetera ase mitandao ya Facebook na boigo YouTube. Thank you so much, we value so much nabantaba ya all times and then bana singing into you kwigena egeta seni kiao geo kumanya buna agwatega korokera ensemo yense abali kibaito na abasaki baito nonse asemore you wonderful people na bali bayanga Chinsa machi transmission kolia bali mwaberimo kubate pindi bito aserit koligma. We are thankful because mwatubwate iri pakanande ebire biga mwanko mo gutoka mwararire koragira ni mati mwaragire buya ankyo nelituko asensemo yumanyerio ankoroko Wilson Makori nchenkoroko Mkate Enock. Good night.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana man, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Pogusia tebete na ki poli engenda bobe mangana, engenda bobe ningo. Oliora atari ruchiri uchibora buchiri uchiasegete na ndoira na gocha. Oyobona engenda bobe. Uchira asegete na asegete ona abwate ngana bakabarumi. Na abwata kangana. Eneri na bwe komo chigote kogendera gote bana ki moseraibu. Muminjolimi tangana moseraibu no rio kirete nyomba rioka urio minjoli trimi ana bakogenda ache na gintu gite engane ina bere yemo nabo bungai ni bwa mukoro ntaro je maikaransa kera nguru na atenena takubuikera ubungai ni bwa mukoro nto nabaga bakorukuna nguru cyano kiri bari bakonga kongire muntu gakonga kongire ororira mangana nda mange na tukoroka nguru cyano kire ubungai ni bwa gaikaransete oyo mwana nganero mwana mukana atenena ta korora kende ta kunyara kubuikera bungai ni bwa mukoro ntaro je maikaransa musai na atenena ne musai na kera nguru ta kubuikera igo kige tugo tebanga ki boli ngenda boemangana boli oli oraro le nande ba amaskani bali baroche ngamangana ayo abali ngenche kabire iyo.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana man, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills elukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yega kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche merongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na buigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene ene duka ya Safaricom. Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Keroka Technical Training Institute ni shule ambayo utaiaminia kwa masomo ya kiufundi kama vile Building and Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Applied Science Department, Computing and Informatics, Modern and Full Equipped Library, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Department, ambayo wanatoa viwango vyote. Na sasa usajili wa mwezi wa Mei unaendelea. Kwa mengi wapigie simu kwa nambari 0726588558 au 0708330000 au watembelee kwa tovuti ya www.kerukatechnical.ac.ke. Kumbuka, hii shule iko kilomita 1.5 peke yake kutoka mji mkuu wa Keroka. Mlete mwanao leo ili apate manufaa ya elimu.
Inye kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwarire na gusalia enibo enyinge. Aha, bono tokwa omoyo